The Bee Battle by McKenna Watkins. Common name of this is the honeybee. Scientific name is Apis mellifera. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Arthropoda. Class, Insecta. Order, Hymenoptera. Family, Alpidae. Genus, Apis. And species is Apis mellifera. So the strengths of a bee in a March Mammal Madness battle. First, the eyes of a Apis species can detect ultraviolet light wavelengths that are beyond the visible spectrum, so they have better eyes. And two, the outside of the bee, which is orange and black, is known to predators in association with the painful sting from a bee. Now, the weakness is, one, the bee will die after stinging the predator, and two, bees work and defend best in groups and in their colonies. In a battle alone, it could be very difficult. The digestive system of a bee first starts with their eating nectar through their long tongues, and the nectar goes to the crop where it is stored until the bee goes back to the hive and throws up the honey to another helper bee. Now, if the bee gets hungry in this situation, it takes some of the nectar from its crop and it is passed through the intestines and gets digested and absorbed. Then, through its kidney-like organs, the nutrients are sorted and passed through the rectum for waste. In a bee's respiration system, first, the bees pull air through spiracles, which are tiny holes in the thorax and abdomen. And then the air is transported to the tracheas, which are long tubes that connect the spiracles to the air sacs. Third, the tracheas transport the air to the air sacs, and they will constrict or expand depending on how much oxygen the bee needs. And fourth, they expel carbon dioxide. So the circulatory system, the bee has an open circulatory system, and the blood carries nutrients and hormones for the bee. So first, the dorsal heart pumps, pulling in blood through the ostias, which are openings in the heart, and the pumped blood goes into the vessel where it is pumped through to the head. Then the cycle repeats. So the excretion system, first, the bees are invertebrates and do not have kidneys, but they do have systems that work like kidneys, which is the Malpighian system. So in the abdomen of the bees, waste not wanted goes from the crop through many tubulets. The waste passes through the tubulets to the alimentary canal. Then the waste from the bee's blood and the waste passed through the tubes become feces and pass through the rectum. So some facts to finish it off. Number one, a honeybee can travel up to 15 miles an hour. 2, honeybees never sleep. 3, they communicate through pheromones, like chemicals. 4, honeybees have 5 eyes. And 5, honeybees beat their wings 200 times per second, creating their trademark buzz.